The island of Maui, where officials say a wildfire has destroyed more than 270 structures and killed at least 36 people.
The historic town of Lahaina was hardest hit, and this morning the only road to it is closed down only for evacuations. We were able to gain access to the town late last night, and what we saw was pure devastation. One survivor describing the flames as burning so hot they appeared white, and they destroyed everything in their path from homes to hotels. As you mentioned, the death toll right now, 36, but there is concern this morning that number will only rise.